Where should we look? How should we observe if we have to give way? In this situation, we don't give way, but the white car from the opposite direction must stop to give way to us, because a lot of times if you are in the position where the white sedan is, you don't only check your right hand side, you check your opposite side as well. So from this side, if you are turning left where there's a pedestrian crossing, you don't only give way to people on the right hand side, you've got to give way to the traffic coming from the opposite direction, depending on whether they have the right of way or not. So the silver vehicle must give way to the right-hand side and from the opposite direction. By the way, you should not block the pedestrian crossing if the vehicle in front of you hasn't completely cleared. So now the blue car must wait until the silver one clears before they cut inside of the pedestrian crossing. In the driving test, that would be immediate fail. Keep clear where there's a pedestrian crossing until you are certain that you can proceed without having to wait blocking the pedestrian crossing. If there's enough space to squeeze past the actual zebra, you can do so. We often get questions, should you keep clear even if there's no one about to step into the pedestrian crossing? Yes, the answer is yes. We should not block pedestrian crossings at all. Obviously, it's a very complex situation. You've got to keep an eye on everything. So see, at the moment, we've got cars coming from the opposite direction. In case we got to the give way sign, we would have to wait. Never underestimate the situations like this when you drive in a car, because even if it seems like a low-risk situation, you really have to keep an eye on everything, and your situational awareness must be up to scratch. Thank you for watching.